What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and look what I got here. I got the Galaxy Samsung S9. That's right, and this is the coral blue version. Look at this beauty. This thing is lovely. It's tiny when you compare it to like a Note 8, a Razer phone, some of the other bigger devices, but this is a small compact phone. As you see, it has that new setup there with the fingerprint display there underneath the camera, and then you have your camera there, your flash. That camera has that dual aperture 1.5 to 2.4 12 megapixel camera, so should be a nice camera. Doesn't have the dual lens like the big boy, the S Plus, but it does have the dual aperture. And look what I found. A headphone jack, guys. That's right, the headphone jack lives with Samsung. Then you got your Type C. This also has stereo speakers, so that should be pretty fun to see what they do. And she's back, the Bixby button, your volume up and down here on the left, and then you got your power button here on the other side. So you know, Samsung makes a really beautiful device. I mean, you got the Super AMOLED display. I mean, it's a beauty. As you can see, this thing is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful screen. You can't argue with the way that Samsung makes their devices, man. This is a 1440 by 2960. You know, it's got that bezel-less design, the Super AMOLED screen, man. It's just beautiful, man. You can't, when it comes to Samsung, they make the best screens. Pixel makes the best camera. They make the best screens. I think their designs are sexy too, real sexy, comparable to the sexiness of the Essential phone. But this is a heavy hitter phone, man. It's a beauty. I mean, it's a tiny phone, I'll say that, man. It's real tiny. I mean, when you compare it to the Essential phone, I got my Essential phone here. You see the Essential phone's a little wider, you know, but not as tall. Obviously the S9 is thinner, you know, but you got that glass back on the Samsung, and you got the ceramic back here, titanium sides, aluminum sides here. You got the glass front back here. So, I mean, it's a beautiful device, man. You know, they bring in that fingerprint display here in the back with the rear, and then they also have that intelligence scan and iris scanner, so they can run with the OnePlus 5T face unlock. Probably not sure, gotta test it out. I got it set up on here, so it should be pretty cool. They could probably compete with that face unlock on the iPhone 10, so we'll see, man. I mean, it's a beautiful device. I mean, you can't complain. I want to check out them stereo speakers that are on this device, man. You know, and when it's packing, man, I showed you earlier in the intro video, you know, it comes with those AKG tuned by AKG headphones right in the box. So they give you them headphones, man, because it's got the headphone jack, so you're good to go. And then obviously you get that fast charging on here, man. Real fast charger on here, so you're able to juice up your phone quick, you know. And it's got the Type C, bro, so you ain't got to worry about this is a nice cable too, real thick, real nice. And then you got your USB connector here. If you got the old style, then you can plug it into the side. You could do some stuff with that. And then they got some other headphone stuff. So that's kind of what comes in the box. You guys saw in the intro, but I wanted to show you a little close-up of it. Real cool device. Now, one of the biggest features that a lot of people are going crazy over, I don't know if they're going crazy or it's a little addicting, is the AR emojis. They've been talked about. People are putting them on Twitter, GroupMe. You know, you could do different shapes, animals. You could do your own face. You can have a lot of fun with it. So you tell me what you guys think. You like me with the gold mask or what? Do you like me with the gold mask? So it's basically what you get, man. You get a little Emoji action. So it's fun, man. It's kind of cute. So you guys tell me if you guys like that or what. Let me see back. Oh yeah, here's the volume. Sorry about that. But it's fun, man, you know. Gold mask. There we go. Do you like me with the gold mask? Man, that's it, man. That's the AR emojis. If you guys like that stuff. I'm gonna be riding this for a little bit. This is the S9. I've been using the Razr and also the Essential phone, so we'll see how these two, you know, these are similar in size, so they're more comparable. But I wanted to do a quick unboxing, just kind of give you a little run of its paces. Obviously, this has the Snapdragon 845, so battery should run a little better, should run a little faster. It's got the 4 gigabytes of RAM, not the 6 gigabytes that the S9 Plus has. Also, the S9 Plus has the dual camera on the back. This has the single camera, but it still has the dual aperture. It still has that aperture that you can go from 1.5 to 2.4. So I'm interested to see how the pictures are in low light. So, but that's it, man. That's the Galaxy S9 unboxing for the T-Mobile version. But she's a beauty, man. This is the blue, coral blue. So if you guys are looking to pick this up, this is what it looks like. It's a nice phone. It's an upgrade from the S8. Internally, not much, you know, as far as you know, the physical. They're both similar in size and look, so it's up to you, man. But that'll do it, man. Follow me on Twitter, Android Stud, Facebook, Google Plus, and Instagram. You could also man, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. I'm gonna be dropping some videos on this and more devices. And like this video, man, and I'll check you guys later. Peace. Galaxy S9.